Today I've probably got one of the weirdest phone unboxings that I've ever had on this channel, so welcome back to another episode of STU'S Reviews Unboxing. Now I wasn't going to do a unboxing of this particular phone because I'm pretty certain I know what phone's inside it. It's the Poco F3, and I've been looking to get hold of a Poco phone for quite some time. Now I sat down and I started to open it, and I didn't quite expect what was inside it. Now the tagline here is, "The real beast is here. Do I have the power to unleash it?" Now in itself, this isn't that weird because it is a bit of a beast of a phone, so naturally speaking the promo box will have something like this. But what I didn't expect was what was inside the box. All okay so far. Only the smartest can tame this beast. And we just pull the sides. Now I've gotten this far before, and then I stopped and thought, I've got to film this. You ready for this? I have never seen a promo box lock a phone behind a padlock, so I've got to crack the code. I hate puzzles. I hate codes. Oh my lord, this is terrifying. Okay, so I've got to crack the code. I've got to unleash the beast that's inside this box. Okay. I mean, it doesn't, there's no obvious code here at all to get into this. It just says the answers are closer than I think. The answers are closer than I think. The answers are closer than I think. Is it something to do with C, L, A? There's no W there. Only the smartest can tame this beast. I'm sure this is horrendously obvious to most of you watching this, but I hate stuff like this. Oh, hold on a minute. There's a 3! There's a 3! I found a number 3. It's hidden in the closer than I think. Okay, look, there's a little 3 like hidden inside here. Find some more then, more numbers. 3, 0. Oh, hold on a minute. How do I know what order these numbers go? Oh no. 5 on there, or 5, number 5. That's it. There's 3 numbers. It's a 4-digit code. Oh wait, hold on. There's a 3 there. We're going to give that a go. We're going to give that's a 3 there, I think. It's a 3. Alright, let's give that a go. I have to write this down. Hold on a minute. Right. Okay. The problem is as well, this padlock, I don't know which is the front and the back, technically speaking. I'm guessing there's an arrow there. So 3053. Okay, so 3053. 3053. We've just tried that. 503. And we could have 5303. I'm already lost completely here. Is there a relevance here? I have literally no idea what this is. Do you know what? I'm useless at this sort of thing, but I'm not useless using an angle grinder. Probably a bit overkill, isn't it? Bloody crack the code. I'll bloody crack the code, I tell you. I've done it! I've done it! I've cracked the code! I've cracked the code. As you can see, I've cracked it. That's done. Alright. Alright. Oi! Alright! Brilliant! I should probably go and check for damage. So, now that we've got into the phone, let's take a look. Here we go, here we go, here we go. This yellow is great, by the way. It's really recognisable branding. I'm just so excited because this is a flagship phone at budget pricing. So I'm super excited. Oh, Poco F3, Snapdragon 870 as well. There's such a capable chipset. Woo. Oh, look at that. Well, straight away I can tell you now that is going to get so fingerprinty. I've literally just put some moisturiser on as well. That is going to be fingerprinty as hell, and it'll be a constant battle. But that is a lovely looking device. I tell you what, that is a beautiful looking display as well. Full OLED, 120Hz display. This is a real beast for the price as well. How about we take a closer look? The Poco F3 is going to be my first Poco phone that I've ever tried, and that's quite exciting. Now, I remember when the first one came out, and even back then I was tempted to cover it because it packed flagship level specs into a much cheaper package than any other phone out there. This iteration has a full AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, a Snapdragon 870 processor, 5G, Wi-Fi 6, triple rear camera setup, a 20 megapixel front camera, NFC, IR blaster and even stereo speakers in a price that costs just £329. Do you know what? There's not a great deal to hate about that, and I'm super excited to find out if this thing can live up to the expectations it sets on paper. So stay tuned for my full review on this one. So that is the Poco F3, just a real simple teaser of this phone and the review coming up. Obviously today has been a bit unusual. Like I said, I wasn't planning on doing an unboxing, but when I opened it and it had a padlock, I couldn't really miss that opportunity to film that. But I hope you've enjoyed today's episode. If you do have any questions about the Poco F3, let me know in the comments below and I'll try and answer them in the review when I get around to doing that. Other than that, guys, thanks very much for joining. If you have enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to press that thumbs up because I'm trying to hit 500 likes on every single episode that I upload at the moment. So every like counts. And as well, if you're new to STU'S Reviews, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified when new episodes land, both weird unboxings and the regular reviews. So that's all from me, guys, and I'll see you back for another episode of STU'S Reviews soon.